Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Ka Sengsan Pertai National People's Party hakasngi palai jong ka lai pawai terik unai leber arajar arpoar kala pediang sngob hayo MDC jong ka ramrai jerngam constituency uba bajap pengrob hakajingelang kepada long ha office terekam jong ka party hanong ba shalong hagane kajing pediang sngob hayo uba bajap pengrob kumud khot ba pura jong ka party badi kinong yalam ke bala mi no na ka seng congress la sakhi lang da national president u konrad congress sangma u national vice president uba preston tensong ki MLA jong ka party bat ki wei uba preston haba ajing kran hagane kajing yalang pediang sngob hayo uba bajap pengrob kumud khot ba pura jong ka party ula penbena lepa baka seat jong ka ramrai constituency hausnam arajar arpulai kala dai lepa jong ke NPP
ngai khoblei kerpang ya phi kinong kersan bait kinong kersan kiba layat ringkat bat nga kumu MDC hapo ka constituency jongi lese bon kinkeli balai ngarung hapo kane ka party National People's Party lasengnya ka National People's Party daulit PA sangma house name arajar kharar hau benai Jun bala itu ya ka kum ka National Party house name arajar kha khandai hau benai Julai kum man chubentep ya phi parlok bayet ka vote share jong ka National People's Party tang hapo Garo Hills kadan haduk san ponyo persen shwa ya ka MLA ki jong kine ki by election ka NPP hapo Khasi Janta Hills area kadan ya ka vote share kumba 25% kadai ka party ka badan yang number baara ka vote share Henry hadian ya kine ki by election ka party NPP kelalong number 1 dangi Kenya ka vote share hapo ka jela Meghalaya jongi barok koi hakaba mentah kesengi ngitip ba ka NPP hapo ka jela jongi ngidan kumba laiponyo 0.1% kata ka vote share jong ka National People's Party dan nata kadao pat ba ngitip ba ka ramrai jerngam constituency kadai ka constituency jong ka party congress menchua hendai nganget ba ka jingwan jonga bat mapi baro ngin pen kelas ka seat jong ka National People's Party ka West Khasi Hills district kadai ka district ka ba ka NPP ka Wan Baningkong hapo ka Khasi Janta Hills region kini kidau kiba perlong yang bangan rung sapo ka National People's Party ka party pa POE nado bala seng hadu mentah kasngi ngim joi bakin ya syurat iwei kata kadai ka National People's Party kata kadai ka daw ka ba kring yang bangan rung sapo ka National People's Party pa babait ngai kublai kerpang ye honorable chief minister barki colleagues jongi kiba priang sobha yang bangan nyalong dukhat jong ka NPP bangan kuberu bangan num tray ka NPP tangha ramrai jerngam henrei ha borok koi ka jela ngan tray sitom bangin penkia ya kan ka party bad ka jeng tray sitom jonga jong pi ngin pen pai ka vote share jong ka NPP syasan pau persen house nam arajar arpulai kata kadai ka thong ka bangadan ka mensiem jonga ba kata kadai ka thong ka banga ngakwa ba mapi wei bapin elek shaki yeng ki sam shaki shnong shaki yaw ki hat bapin pensa priang ya kan kubor bangin ya trai sitom baka NPP kan yo sensyar marwai house name arajar arpulai kata kadai ka thong ka bangi bo nganwan keniat shaki mat jong ka development ka konstituensi ramrai jerngam kadai ka konstituensi kepala asyra hadu kata nadu snam arhajar layos ngau kata ka non-stoin ramrai kersyai caigau highway dan siu compensation house nam arajar arpoar hadin arpoar snam ngin yo shisha ya kata ka highway hakaba layalam kemat da ka NPP ka sarkar kini kita baro ki banga ngarung sapo ka party NPP nado arajar snam arajar la initiate ya ka surok ramrai kersyai caigau Henry hadian arpusa arsnam ka urlong Ngatrai yo piong ngalam le rendai barok ki pajba kitip baka compensation kalau poi siki account jongki. Ban nginget ba shan ngin yo ban traino ya kan surang. Lasyang rong na ramrai syaduk maudo na maudo syaduk nong tumai. Lasyang rong na po ramrai syaduk tep kse. La repair na po riwyang syaduk syalangpi ngintangi lasuk kalit kawan. Kita ki mat ki ba kan ke parti kala trai walang idan ke opposition ki ahi ke development joko constituency jongi. Dengan nget hawat dangdon sa sisnam. Nganget ba kindang bun ki kampun roy ki ba kan ke parti kan the apa constituency jongi. Dengan usum bun ki kapor ngai ku play sa sisien yang barok mo pi ki perlok ke constituency jonga ke constituency ke bangia klek nya dalang ki perlok garo nya dalang ki khasi. Aku beli ki parlo garu ki belai 1 be arspa kilometer. Daka jingit jongki yang ki wan banya dan benta bat nga hang ne. Ki parlo jonga na ramrai, ki parlo jonga na langpi, na nonglang barok ki perwan na barok ka saudong ka konstituensi. Nga ai ka jing kublai, na do mensiam na do donut. Bapi don kata ka jingit yang bapiniawan banya senran lem yang
Lek biang salah senong la jong sa ramrai konstituensi. Kibabun ba kijing pesutu bakla. Namar belai kinong syun ki kuat banyo i bengia paj ngia pra. Teken mau tangkawi ngong epi nakaliang jong ke NPP. U national president, u chief minister jongi. Mga kom u deputy CM, u vice president. Mangi poro ngani ka team kabing idon. Idon tan kawi. Kawi kasur, kawi kadur. Long tik kum silok kawe kado kawe kasnam ngatrai kata ngi sutu ba ken mau bahaya kata kinok syun politically mentaka ka bagile ki persangkat bala ya kaban pensutu bakla ngalade pongteng hakane gaju kejaka dang bun ki leaders ki ban sa join ka parti koble sibun bajob bila join bat ni bat pi ki leaders baro ka mengaku abang dikentu ya pi kelong stang kawi anda pilih pai nang ni siapa ka konstituensi jongpi tong ini set lang no ngini ya lek pomding lang no ngini lek thung ke ba ngini ya lek rep lang ha kaju kayeng kasem UNPP jongi bladon lepa bat pi ki ba join NPP menta nai kren syu ubat mai barim baro ngilay long rim lang bat baro ngilay long temai lang kata ka bangakwa ban ong epi tingilaya suit ngilaya shor ngilaya kan ngilaya kenma nadong sodong syaba kani ka program ganjia de ha ka bakadu ngai ko blei uba mak milan no balong u Emily na ponong stoin uba penbit uba penbiang batru uba pelut ya kasngi kamit kumdo ban warna ya ka program jongi kaba internet kabe idon burong dengan kremen scam kumala ong kini kirurang ba karambrai konstituensi na kabenta wahar arhajar arpulai lek singila ban declare no lepa mentah balade kasip jong ke NPP kalade lepa kasip jong ke NPP kita ki perlok ki bamut baniang persyak ngasuban ong to ya join lang no mentah ladala anle kan long on contested na vio kumno namar ba piayeng la shlong ngba pelut kai ya kabor pelut kai ya kamit ya kasngi klempoi shadu shonuru namala ong kini kirurang ba ane piken jikhen ya ka percentage jong ka vote ngilas ku thu sai kedar teken mau ta gawe nga kwa ban ong biang pia pok je lam jong un national president jong ya pok je lam jong kon rat sangma ka parti jong ka kiu mdei tang pe kala hapo Manipur ka bdang sudep ke election pila ban modur ngiyo anyau seat how tei u akate tem kala dep ngiyo tang sao mentangi poi nyau bat khatsan teli pada kita ki konstitusi ki bangerem ru ngirem ha ka margin ka barit bah arspa laispa maksimum hapo sanspa kabamut ka NPP ka kiu hadu kata-kata. Mdei tang hamegla hanrei hapo Manipur but ni concentrate mentaya ka Mizoram ru ka Arunachal Pradesh but kiwei there ki state hapo jongga northeastern state jungi.
Any organization or any political party is made up of human beings and individuals. Everybody will have their own views on a stand. Everybody will have their own opinions about a certain issue. But it is the organization's character, the individuals in the party, their character, that will define whether those issues or those differences will make the party weaker or make the party stronger. And I'll tell you that the biggest difference or the biggest plus point that I tell everybody that the National People's Party has, among many other points, is that the leadership, at whatever level it may be, we don't move ahead with egos. There is no room for ego or no room for misunderstanding among us. Yes, there may be differences. I may feel that certain issue must be approached in a certain way. Somebody else may feel that it must be approached in a certain way. But what is important is that we have to keep in mind the ultimate goal and the vision of the party, the organization, which is to serve the people of our state, our region, and our country. And no matter what situation we face, and I can tell you that we have faced many, many difficult situations. But the reason we have been able to move ahead and come out stronger is because of the character, because of the qualities of the different leaders who are present here on the dais. I'm not saying that we are perfect. Absolutely not. I'm not saying that we don't make mistakes. But I can assure you that whatever situation we face it together. Whatever we do it together. And whatever we do it for the people and for the state of Meghalaya, for the region of the Northeast and the country as a whole. And that is what is the strength of the National People's Party. Today I'm very excited and very happy to see that a large number of people have started believing in the vision of the National People's Party. A large number of people have started believing in the leadership at different levels. I'm not talking about the national president alone. A party is not made up of one person. Party is made up of a team. And every person in the team has a role to play. And as long as we can ensure that the positive qualities of every individual and the constructive work that every individual can add to the party and to the system and to the organization and to service to the people, that will be the only way that we can move forward to take our party as well as the state, the region and the country forward. So therefore today is another red letter day for the National People's Party, where we are seeing many leaders, experienced, young, energetic, dynamic leaders from different regions, whether Jaintia Hills, Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi, Garo Hills. Today we are seeing the response of the party from every nook and corner of the state. And that is one of the second, I should say, strengths of the party. We are not a party that works and serves and looks at region or tribe or an individual and works. We work regardless of which region, regardless of which tribe or community you belong to. We believe in carrying everybody forward together. We believe in serving everybody with equality. And that's the reason today so many people from so many different parts, from so many different political parties have decided and today are joining the National People's Party. I had made this statement almost a month back that you will see more and more people joining, and it's happening. And I can assure you that this process will continue. Today, the people of our state of Meghalaya have faith in the National People's Party.